This is my attempt at jollof rice. I was encouraged to do this recipe because it has a lot of flavors and spice going for it, that I was intrigued. The red bell peppers reminded me of the bold flavors of red bell pepper pasta. The use of the curry powder and the basmati rice has the Indian subcontinent flavor and some very Mediterranean spice, dried thyme. With that, I was sold and I had to try it out. In case you didn't know, jollof rice is a West African recipe, very popular in Nigeria and Ghana. There is a friendly competition going on between Nigeria and Ghana on who makes the best jollof rice. That will require some research and digging. If you're intrigued, look into it. We start making the jollof rice with our vegetable base. It has some tomatoes cut into quarters, some red bell peppers, again cut into strips, removing the seeds and the white part. What you're seeing now is an optional step, adding some chilies. You can add jalapenos, habanero chilies, or just regular green chilies. If you want it to be really hot, you can leave the seeds. I decided for a milder flavor, so I removed the seeds. Finally, we're gonna add some red onion cut into quarters, one garlic head. Because the garlic head cooks quickly, we're not gonna add it at the beginning. We're gonna add it toward the end, on the last 15 minutes. Add all those vegetables to your oven tray. Drizzle some neutral oil like canola oil or sunflower oil onto the vegetables. Using your hands, mix in the oil with the vegetables. Make sure that every bit of vegetables is covered in oil. Don't forget to do the same for the garlic, which we will add toward the end. Into the oven it goes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 180 degrees Celsius, for 1 hour. While our vegetables are cooking in the oven, or toward the end of our vegetable cooking process, we need to chop a few cloves of garlic and about 2 inches, which is about 5 centimeters in length, of fresh ginger. For the ginger, you need to remove the skin. You can do that using a spoon, just like that. Cut the ginger into squares. In the end, you should have equal amounts of garlic to ginger. Set that aside. Once your vegetables are done, this is what they should look like. What we need to do now is blend everything up with the food processor. Notice how I'm adding everything up. I am not removing any red bell pepper skins or the green chili skins. I'm just adding them whole. As for the garlic, you just need to squeeze it out and discard the skin. In the end, you should have this red paste for your jollof rice. Now we're ready to head to the stove. Add in some neutral oil, heat up that oil, add in one finely chopped yellow onion. If you don't have yellow onions, you can definitely use red onions. Add in some salt. Once your onions have become translucent, it's time to add in the garlic and the ginger. Stir them all in. You should cook your garlic and ginger for about 5 minutes and then add in the tomato paste. Cook the tomato paste very well until it has absorbed all the flavors. If you're cooking in low to medium heat, then the tomato paste should be absorbed in about 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes are up, it's time to add in your jollof mixture. Then add in 2 stock cubes of your choice. It can be beef stock, vegetable stock, or even chicken stock, but it has to be the cube type. Add in some bay leaves. Then mix in your basmati rice. Your rice should be washed until the water is clear and then soaked for at least 15 minutes. Mix that in. Add in the curry powder. Top everything off with some hot water. The water should barely cover the top surface of the rice. That's how much water you should add. Then cover and let it cook for at least 10 minutes on low heat. Check your rice to see if it's cooked, and once most of the water has been absorbed, it's time to add in the dried thyme. While the pan is hot and off heat, add in half a stick of butter. Mix in the butter until it has melted completely. Now it's a good time to remove the bay leaves before serving. Now we are ready to serve. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving us a thumbs up, and sharing the videos with your friends.